Yo, what's up, Crypto Familia, wherever it is and whenever it is. I think I said wherever, and whenever you are watching this. Let's go ahead, jump right into it. Let me share my screen with you guys so we can see what's going on. It's been a little bit since I've seen you guys last. Crazy stuff going on in the crypto space. So let's go ahead. Let's pull up CoinGecko. Let's get Decrypt up, and then let's do Trading View. Oops. And let's see what we got here. Boom. That out the way. Awesome. So let's go ahead and pull Bitcoin up. We have Bitcoin playing at a super, it's really in our zone when it comes to the 50% 618 zone on a long term, on a longer time frame. Let me see. All right, so on a monthly, you can see, so we measured from this bottom to this high, and then you can see the 50% 618 zone is from here, and actually I can highlight it a little bigger because I know there's a lot of confusion there, but from here to here, and we have it actually at the bottom. You can see right over here. We're at the bottom of our zone. So really, a lot of the coins inside the crypto market are going to really be affected depending on what happens here inside of Bitcoin. And then we have things going on outside of that, which is on Decrypt. Let me go like this. Okay. Come on. There we go. Collect them candies. Let's go. Let's go to the main screen. Get the dark mode on. I like the dark mode. And then we can see we have a 1.29 trillion market cap, which is down a little bit. It was up not too long ago. So we can see a lot of the coins, we don't really have too many, other than, Terra Luna Classic. We don't really have too many different coins that are performing that well in the shorter term. You can see 24 hours, we don't have too many coins over the 5% mark. But you can see most of them are the coins that are inside our portfolio that we keep up here. But let's go to the 7-day prod, or the 7-day little forecast. You kind of see we got helium still moving, even on the 1 hour, 24 hour, it's still moving, going up. We got Chainlink as well, performing pretty well for the 7-day mark. Theta Network, Tezos to Bezos. I have that on. Have that one on there. We got Cardano. Cardano's super low. Holy crap. We got FTX and nothing else really performing that crazy. But as you guys can see, there's nothing that bizarre going on inside of here. Nothing down too bad that we can see. Right. 7-day, obviously, a little bit different, but when it comes to 24-hour and the hour, it doesn't look like we're too bad here as far as projects are looking. But again, nothing too bizarre. Let's see. Let's go to Decrypt. So we got a couple of different things. Let's go to our news. Let's see what we got. We got while that's loading, let's go back over here. Over here. And then we can kind of do a little bit of analyze. Oh, that's not loading. There we go. UFC clinches a sponsorship with blockchain company VeChain, and then that kind of brings us back over to here. You go to performing projects. We have this, and honestly, it's VeChain super low. 3 cents, pretty much a coin. We can click on it, see it's been down, obviously, along with everything else, but 30 days, about 20% a year. It's almost down about 75. So if we go to that year, we can kind of see we originally started off about 17 cents. So we're at 3 cents, double. You'd be looking to double your like a percentage wise, it's at 6 cents. And then from there, it's pretty crazy. So to see that it was at 17 cents not too long ago is pretty dope. But it's really dope is to see that UFC also clinches a sponsorship deal with them as well. So that's something I would look into. They're probably going to be putting it inside of some fights. You're probably going to see more of VeChain maybe publicly on TV when it comes to the UFC. They might be, putting it on the ring, on the ground, I don't know, the cage, whatever it is, all the sponsors and stuff that they have there. We got Bitcoin miners will see 29% rate hike on hydroelectric power in Washington. Interesting. Jay-Z, Jack Dorsey launch a Bitcoin Academy. Huh, that's actually pretty cool. Well, I'm gonna check into that probably after this. We won't go into it now, but Ethereum layer 2 solution uses 20 million tokens in the layer. So I just kind of want to go over a couple of these things. I want to cover a couple of different news topics that we have here just to see what's going on inside the crypto markets. See if there's anything, for example, like the VeChain. What's going on with this? Huh. Property thing. What property thing though? Sneeze there for a second. 950K Bitcoin. Was it one of the little news things that I scrolled past? I think it was. I thought I seen it. Let me look back here. Ooh, we got Tezos. We got Tezos. Literally, we just added it to the little yeah, let me look back here. We'll get to it. But we got Tezos. Literally, I just added it to the portfolio. I thought it was already in the little phrase Tezos to Bezos, You heard? Come on. What's going on with this website? I don't know, bro. We're struggling right now. There we go. Ooh, all news. There we go. We got some all news this time. Let's go. At least it's loading. It's good to see. There must be updating this or something. Maybe it'll be on here. Let's see it. Come on. Oops. That's not what I want to do, but that'll work. The failed property disclosed to 950K Bitcoin to on trades. Let's see. Bro, you can unmute yourself, bro. You can talk. All right, see. So Madison Cawthorn failed to properly disclose up to 950K in Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Solana. Is this what you're talking about? Maybe I missed it. I thought it was a property too. New financial disclosure from Rep. Madison Cawthorn. I assume that's Republican in North Carolina, I'm assuming. Shows he was late in reporting up to 950K in Bitcoin transactions that included Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Solana. The North Carolina congressman. Crypto trades included the anti-Joe Biden token. Let's go, Brandon. Yeah, that's kind of funny. The native token of the request network, and then the token for automated trading platform. Let's see. He also reported that he realized a capital gain of at least $200 on a partial sale of his. As it stands, stock. Okay, but why do they care about the $200? It's at 950. As it stands, the stock act does not require members. Where'd it go? Where'd it go? As it stands, the Stock Act does not require members of the Congress to be precise when reporting what they buy or sell. So the actual value of Cawthorn's crypto transactions ranges from 290,000 to 950,000. He's not responded to a request for comment from the crypt. The report, which Cawthorn, I'm saying that right, filed on Wednesday, details transactions that occurred from January until the end of March. The Stock Act allows members of Congress up to 45 days to disclose stock, bond, and commodity transactions over 1,000 or more. I don't know if that counts for crypto, but I guess it might. The law was updated in the Committee on Ethics in 2018 to specify members of Congress that include cryptocurrencies and all financial disclosures. Ah, bro, you're funny. It's been growing. It's been growing pressure to ban members in Congress from owning stocks at all. In January. Dope. Yeah, I don't know. So maybe they're doing a little bit of I don't know, network updates or something. Usually I get like a reminder or something on my phone though when it says like my internet's gonna be out. So I didn't get anything. But yeah, I mean, I think that's what you were talking about, bro. But I didn't really see anything. Oh damn. Well, glad I did. Okay, let's get out of that. Okay, so business wise, boom, we had the technology. I don't know if that's gonna load. Maybe if we open it in a new tab. We just gotta be patient, I think, guys. Just gotta be patient. My nose is super stuffy right now. Oh yeah, I forgot about that. The Ethereum merge update goes or upgrade. I don't know if this is update or upgrade. Yeah, upgrade goes live today on the Rhapsody network. I did see that as well. That's going to be super important. That's going to mean lower gas fees for us. You can see right here, ready for merge, dress rehearsal, deepfake video of Elon Musk promoting crypto scam goes viral. I don't know if you guys seen that. I actually seen something live. It's a video, and yeah, you can see a phony video of him talking about new investments. But I seen like somebody was like had him live pretty much in a video like on YouTube, and like it was just a never-ending live, and they were pretty much saying like, oh, invest in this coin. Binance adds support for layer 2 Ethereum, scaling solutions, Pharma Pro, Smart. Bullshit. Unicorn DAO raises 4.5 million to support women and LGBTQ artists. I seen something like this, and I seen it a little bit ago, and it was pretty much saying like a lot of people will capitalize here, like on like Pride Month, for example. I know this is kind of outside of crypto a little bit, but right here, I don't really know because I haven't done the back research, but something to be aware of. I mean, especially if this is something you support. Like sometimes like companies, for example, that are against, you know, against the LGBTQ communities and things like that, what they'll do is they'll still put like adverts, they'll still market to them and sell them things, but they don't actually support them. They're just trying to make money off of them. So you got to be careful. Some companies are really shady like that. I don't know if they're one of them. I don't, really know. But it's just something that I seen recently. I don't know. I was like, yeah, like, they're just kind of taking advantage of Pride Month. Obviously, the people inside of that community, they're going to be like, yo, they see some cool stuff, some cool merch, they buy it, and little do they know they're supporting somebody who doesn't support what they're supporting. So sometimes that angers people, and I kind of see like how that's a little shady in a way. So that's kind of something I want to bring up just in general because you always want to do research when it comes to these things. You can obviously see raised 4.5 million to support. I don't know if this is like they did like a funding thing or anything, but it kind of sparked my mind and it reminded me that earlier. I don't know if that's something they used to get more donations or something. So, or if they actually, I guess it looks the funds will go towards artists. Okay, so let me actually click it. We can read a little bit about it. So I personally don't know much about it, but it is something like I said. If you support, you're gonna want to be aware. I guess I don't know if that will bother you or not, but sometimes it does bother people. Like I said, I actually saw something earlier about it of somebody talking about it. I don't know if it's like a TikTok or what, but it's just something to be aware of. And honestly, I didn't really think of, because I didn't think people that didn't support this were gonna try to just make money off it. Meantime, but it does make sense because some people are really shady. So you can see Unicorn DAO launched today, or announced today, not launched. The raise of 4.5 million led by this, I don't know who that is, Bored Ape Yacht creators, Yuga Labs, and others. The funds will go towards supporting other artists who identify as women and or LGBTQ. I don't know if I'm supposed to say the plus thing, but anyway, launched March 2022 by these people. You see Web3, they're using Web3 tools. We're happy to support Unicorn DAO's mission to fund businesses that purchase NFTs created by women and LGBTQ people to announce onboard new creators. So that's honestly pretty cool. So I actually like that. Obviously, they're raising this money, pretty much donating it to not donating it, but supporting other women in the LGBTQ community. So that's pretty neat. Honestly, something pretty cool to see. It's not something I'm too familiar with when it comes to how they're doing that. But I would also be aware to see where the money's actually flowing if they're doing what they'll say they will do. And that's realistically, it comes down to any project and any token. You're really going to want to pay attention to see if they're doing what they're saying they're going to do alongside, the white paper says this, they're doing something else. You're going to obviously be like, yo, that's a little odd. That kind of makes people question things. And, if they don't keep you updated, it's kind of like, yo, like, why is there no communication? The transparency is key when it comes to these projects. And obviously also doing your research to understand that. Let's see. Technologies. I'm moving a little bit quicker, guys. There we go. So we got the DAO, Ethereum merge, or Ethereum nears major upgrades. Testnet set to undergo merge in June. Aave launches decentralized NFT-based Twitter rival on Polygon. Not really sure how that works, but we're going to check it out. Then we got Cloudflare expected to run Ethereum nodes as merge event approaches. U.S. Treasury issues first sanctions against cryptocurrency mixer. Interesting. That would be cool to read. Sony Theta Labs launched 3D NFTs that you can almost touch. That's crazy. And then let's see. Let's see what we got. NFT space, Stranger Things NFT. Base fan, backlash. They must solve riddles to earn NFTs of the stars of the show. Some fans aren't happy. The NFC. This New York City gallery let NFT owners remotely display their art from anywhere. Yo, this is super dope. And actually, I want to send this to my business partners because that's kind of something we were talking about. So I want to take that. Actually, I don't want to expose people's numbers. Sorry about that. But damn, I'll have to cut that out now. Y'all got me. But let's see. Mattel to release cryptoys. Sure that is. Former Robinhood button Venmo execs raised $8 million for NFT company floor. Anthony Hopkins adopts Ethereum name. Asks Snoop Dogg what NFT to buy. Treasures Clydesdales. Zoom into Ethereum. Oh, yo, no way. This is actually super dope. So this is something I think I brought up a while ago, maybe when we were covering gaming NFTs, when it came to the Zed Run. Actually, we went over this, so this is super cool. But Zed Run is pretty much like a horse racing game, and the horse racing game, obviously, it's less cruel than actual horse racing. If you're aware of everything going on behind scenes with the horse racing, obviously they're pushing these horses to their limits. It's not as ethical as everybody sees it to be, in my opinion. Maybe you don't agree, but that's okay. That's besides the point. But what's cool is those who see it as unethical, they can actually race horses inside of the Zed Run with the NFT. So you buy the NFT and then you can actually race it on their platform to earn money. So that's actually super dope. I believe you can actually bet not against them, but you can bet to see who's going to win. If you're outside and you don't have the NFT, I think you can also bet as well. So that's actually super dope. And I don't know if I just opened that. I think I did. If not, definitely. Yeah, Epic Game Store's first NFT game in Gala's Wild West shooter Grit. We got Bored Ape co-founders criticized Discord after NFTs worth 200 themes snatched an exploit. Oh wow, that's crazy. So coins. ICC investigating Terra's UST stablecoin collapse. Honestly, I'm surprised we haven't seen any like criminal things happen with the founders and stuff of Terra in the UST, but it's crazy. I'm not going to go into that right now. We had Tezos to your Bezos hits 4-week high, and we were just talking about this a little bit ago. We were clicking on CoinGecko, so that's cool to see. Crypto exchanges delist Litecoin over privacy feature concerns. That's crazy to see. Litecoin is actually a fork of Bitcoin. Chainlink, its 4-week high following updated staking roadmap release. Super dope. And I think that was, no, we were looking at VeChain. So that's honestly, but we seen Chainlink. Chainlink. So we have Chainlink, and then we also have, what was it? It was a 24-hour Chainlink and VeChain. Yeah, so the right here you can see both a little over 5% gain. Chainlink's got a little over 30% in the past 7 days, which is super dope to see. A little bit of some rebounds, but really we'll see what happens with Bitcoin and everything will also kind of follow from there. But circle adding USDC, probably gonna Web3 payments, PayPal, let users transfer Bitcoin and Ethereum to external wallets. Interesting. Epic Games CEO bashes crypto exchanges over fake Fortnite token. That's funny. It's gonna happen though, bro. What are you gonna do? Yell at them? Roughly 70% of 1 billion lost to crypto scammers. Roughly 70% of $1 billion lost to. Okay, so 70% of a billion lost to crypto scammers. What in 2021 was just Bitcoin. So 30% was just altcoins. This week on crypto, Elon Musk, Dogecoin creator, Jack Palmer exchanged words. Interesting, I didn't see that. Buy stuff. Solana challenges poor safety rating from DeFi Watchdog. We have Tether launches stablecoin and Tezos to unlock new DeFi products. That's actually something cool to see. That's probably why we've also seen Tezos up here as well. A lot of news with these couple coins. So this is something to keep obviously an eye on. I mean, we've had Tezos, Chainlink, and VeChain. Those are like the top 3 right now. I feel like we've heard about them a couple different times here, just going through the news. So that's something to keep in mind. What responsibility do you have, or what responsibility do token airdrop recipients have? Alleged to exploit in the protocol, 100% runnable. I think that's about it for the news here. Kind of want to dive into a couple different things on the charts as well. We'll see. There's not too much to cover, obviously, like I said, because it really just depends on what Bitcoin does. So it's really good to see what's happening just on the news side. And then we can kind of see where everything looks chart wise from there. But we got NFTs, crypto gaming still resilient after May market turbulence. We got Ethereum NFT, Illuvium sells over 17 million digital land plots. I saw that. I think the land sales just went live not too long ago. This was June 6th, so 3 days ago. Move to earn game Stepn hit with DDoS attacks again. Distributed denial of service attacks this weekend. Third such occurrence in many months. Yo, this is something we've seen. I mean, I actually went over. I mean, I don't remember what video it was, but we actually went over this exact project, and I was like, "Yo, this is something we should check out." I think I showed you guys. It was like a screenshot from my phone because I came across it on social media somewhere. Why Ava Labs 140? But it's honestly super dope. But there has been a lot of problems with it. But I could see how honestly it could be really really big. And a lot of other companies could follow. For example, like shoe companies, Adidas, Nike. You know, they have shoes. Why would they not use this move to earn? If you wear their shoes, maybe you get tokens for the moving to earn. And actually, I should start selling them ideas or something. But Ethereum gaming, DAOs, yield guide, merit circle, speed over funding, Bitcoin gaming. But yeah, I mean, it's just something cool to pay attention to. NFL, Mythical Games launch, play, own, NFT game, and rivals. I'm assuming it's going to be something along the lines of fantasy football. Yep, it's right there. Okay, cool. But as far as that goes, guys, I mean, we'll kind of maybe we'll hop in here, see a couple things. But I don't want to go too deep into everything today, but you can see Ethereum merge goes live. What I would like to do is honestly update you guys inside of the chat. We'll go over these, and then I'll also send you a couple charts as well here coming up, a couple updates as well on Bitcoin. So looking forward to that. But I'll send it inside of the exclusive crypto, the free chat. So if you guys want to be a part of that, go ahead and look down in the bio. I'll put the link in there so you guys can join in if you'd like. It will be there for you. Other than that, you guys have an awesome rest of the Thursday. We got the weekend coming up, so hopefully you guys are excited, and we'll keep you updated. So have an awesome rest of the day, and we shall talk soon. See you guys.